What's up guys, this is Keith Seymour from Seymour Cycle Works. I wanted to do a review slash unboxing video for a product that I just received from vikingbags.com. And so let's take a look and see what it is. All right. So, drum roll please. We have some nice new saddlebags. Yes. So what we have here is a saddlebag from vikingbags.com, fully polyester, I believe is the material, and went with the dirt bike large saddlebags. And you might be saying, Keith, why did you go with dirt bike saddlebags? Well, it's because people ask me what my favorite bike is, and I often say my next one. And so I don't want to have to I wanted something a little more universal or versatile that I could use with different bikes. And I didn't want to have to sell these every time, or sell saddlebags every single time that I trade in or sell a bike. So with that being said, let's take a look at some of the features. I went with the large. I believe it has, it's like almost 4,400 cubic inches of storage. Obvious to me that I went with the large because I really wanted to have extra space. My clothes, since I'm a bigger guy, are a little bit bigger than the average person, and so wanted to have plenty of space rather than not enough. They do offer a smaller size and medium, but of course I went with the larger one. This is water resistant, weather resistant as well, and I like how you can fold this up. So you can pack it as much as you want, and you say you have a pretty big load in there, you can just roll it down a little bit and then buckle it, or you can roll it all the way down to where it's flush, and you can do that. There's also, I believe, yes, carrying handles, so you can kind of use it as luggage. The way that it secures on the bike is through these straps, and then it has some extra Velcro to actually secure it a little bit more. So there you have it. You have Viking Bags, the large dirt bike saddlebags. Yeah, they have, if you want a more custom fit to your specific bike, there's tons of different options that they have on the website specific to your bike. But for me, at least for right now, I wanted to go with some more universal fit bags, and these seem to be super high quality and will do the trick very well. So thanks for tuning in, and yeah, go check out vikingbags.com. I'll put a link in the description to this exact one. But yeah, see you guys later.